Welcome! In front of me I have Withings Pulse HR, and I'm gonna show you how to set up the alarm clock on this smartband. Before we start, if you want to set up the alarm clock on this smartband, your band needs to be paired with a phone via the Withings Health Mate application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we can open the Withings Health Mate application on the phone that is paired with our smartband. After you open the application, you should see the home page. Now tap on the devices icon. And here you should see the option called Next Alarm. Tap on it. And here we can set up the alarm clock for our smartband. To do it, tap on the hour, and then, or rather press and hold on the hour, and then you can adjust the time on which the alarm should go off by swiping up and down. Once you're done with the time, you can release it. Then you can also enable the smart wake up, so you can tap right here and you can set the smart wake up timer. You have from 10 to 60 minutes, I believe, yes. And once you're done with that, tap on the save button and it will enable the alarm. And right here we can edit it even further. We can enable or disable it. We can select for it or check the box repeat on, and if you check it, the alarm will repeat on the specific days, and you can check or uncheck the days. So for example, we can check the Monday and Friday, and this alarm will repeat rather every Monday and Friday. You can also change the name of the alarm, and by tapping on the name. And one last thing you can do with the alarm is to remove it by tapping on the bin icon. Of course, you can have multiple alarms if you want to, like this. And once you're done setting up your alarms, you can close the app, and that's how you set up the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.